In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer controller to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use a Razer controller on your PlayStation 5. Keep in mind that there might be multiple different models of controllers designed to work with a PlayStation 5. For this video specifically, I'm going to be talking about the Razer Wolverine V2, but you will be able to follow these general steps to connect any other model that you might have. If you are unsure if this is going to work, I highly recommend following exact instructions for your specific model. So for the Razer Wolverine V2 Pro, first ensure that it is sufficiently charged. There will be a USB charging cable included, so just plug it into any suitable power source and let it charge. Once it is sufficiently charged, you will be able to set up the controller into the PlayStation 5 mode. So first, if you want to use it wirelessly, make sure that the toggle at the back is set to wireless. With the connection mode toggle set to wireless and the controller mode set to PlayStation 5, you will be able to plug it in with the provided wireless adapter. So plug it into any suitable USB power source on your console and now press and hold the PlayStation button on the controller. As long as the wireless adapter is properly plugged in and you have it set to wireless mode and PlayStation 5, as soon as you power it on with the PlayStation button, it will pair itself up with the dongle and it is going to be ready to be used. As soon as it is paired up, you will be able to use it as a standard controller. You can navigate through the dashboard, you can go inside of any games, and so on. If you want to use it through a wired connection, just set the same dial that I mentioned at the back to wired instead of wireless and plug it in with the provided USB-C to USB-A cable. Regardless of which option you choose, you will be able to connect it to a PlayStation 5 and use it to play any games that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer controller to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.